Right, well, it turns out that she wants to get back together with me. Oh, I found it!
That's so great, you guys!
Yeah.
Hey, Joey. I just wanted to let you know that I found a selfless good deed. I went down to the park and I let a bee sting me.
What? What good is that going to do anybody?
Well,
I couldn't find anything in Joey. Wait.
Yeah, we found them. They were in the guest room closet behind some coats.
yeah, and you have nothing to worry about because they're all crap.
Stuff?
Authorization? I don't need that. I'm going to put everything back.
Put it back exactly where you found it?
Yes, I'm going to put it back exactly where I found it.
Okay, first of all, that attitude is not helping.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word found. It means simple past tense and past participle of find. Also means equipped, outfitted, or furnished. He bought a new boat, fully found. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce found, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to found. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how found is used in real life.
I can't believe I found it.
Look what I found in the drawer.
Have you found your dress yet?
Oh, no. These dresses are all so amazing, but I'm not going to tell you. But if you found out on your own...
Yeah, and I found you one too, who is not a weirdo.
That's what your grandmother's hands looked like when we found her.
Oh, yeah, I just found out that one of my groomsmen had an emergency and can't make it. What happened?
I had to. Okay, imagine you were married and you found a tape of your wife.
Maybe you found your flip-flop.
Okay, but then she found one of Richard's cigar butts out on the test.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.